Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about very important topic, form measurements, which is used in all industries and quality measuring companies. Here we are going to have different types of form measurements like straightness measurement, flatness measurement, screw thread measurement, gear measurement, surface finish, and roundness measurements. We may think that the straightness can be measured easily, but here we are using different technologies to measure the straightness. Otherwise, the components will not get fitted. So we have to give more importance for the straightness measurement as well for flatness and other measuring methods. If we take the straightness measurement, look at the diagram. The ideal line is denoted by dotted lines like this. We are seeing it as a straight line, but it is not a straight line. If you go through the microscope or other optical instrument, we can see this sine wave. That is, it goes up and down. That is called straightness error. The difference between highest point and the lowest point is called the straightness error. That has to be avoided. Otherwise, the matching of two components will lead to some error. So the error should be avoided. For this only we are going to have this straightness measurement. It is said to be given over a length. The variation of the distance of it from two planes perpendicular to each other and parallel to the general direction of the line remains within the specified tolerance limits. So this is called highest point of actual line. This is the lowest point. Whereas this actual line being tested for a straightness, this is ideal line, this is a dotted line. This is called geometrical tolerance for a straightness. The upper and lower, the difference between upper and lower limit is called geometric tolerance of straightness. To measure the straightness, we have a few equipments or instruments like a straight edge, speed level, auto collimator. In this video, we will discuss about straight edge and the speed level. As we have seen in the previous diagram, the reference line, this is the ideal line, is denoted by the dotted line. The deviation from the straightness, by looking from the instrument, we could find the deviation. This is upper deviation and the lower deviation. The difference between these two is called tolerance, which is given for the straightness measuring instrument. This is called a straight edge, which is used for measuring the straightness. It may be a stainless steel rule or wooden finished rule also can be used for as the straightness edges, that is of length 30 cm and 360 cm. The simplest way of using the straight edge is to place a straight edge on the surface. In day-to-day life also we are coming across this straight edge measurement, maybe by the carpenters or masonry workers or turners or any technical person are using this type of straight edge. By using slip gauge also we can have this calibration of the straight edge. Straight edge has to be calibrated periodically, and we have to ensure that the straight edge is placed on a slip gauge piling. That is, the slip gauges will be fixed over the surface plate, and we have to ensure that the straight edge which we are using as instrument is error free. Speed level, it is very known instrument. We have used it in many places to measure the straightness and surface of level of the any component or any measuring instrument.